Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I start cleaning by taking all the bedding off. We will be changing the sheets today. I also take off the mattress cover just to give it a wash as well. And these are the new sheets. I'm going to start putting on anything that I can. The only thing that we're going to be waiting for is the mattress cover. Then I'm taking all of the laundry that needs to be washed to the laundry room, and I'm putting in the first thing, which is the bedding. I do use vinegar with our wash just to get any smells out, alongside with the detergent as well. Over here I'm folding laundry that I put in last night that was in the dryer. Cleaning the lint off. And then I head over to the kitchen and wash the dishes. I then continue by wiping down all the countertops. Including the stove. I then move on to the dining table and chairs. And can't forget bar stools. Then I continue by vacuuming the whole main level. Here, as you can see, I am using a shop vac. I find it very helpful with our dog hair that we have a lot of. We do have huskies, so they do shed a lot. Going back to the laundry and moving from the washer to the dryer and putting in another load. Now I've moved on to our living room couch. As you can see, there's a lot of dog hair. There are some stains on there as well. So I'm taking out, first of all, the pillow covers to get those washed as well. And then I'm using this grooming tool to get all the dog hair out of the couch. And as you can see, it does a very good job getting all of the fine little hairs everywhere. As you can see, this is all the dog hair that I got off the couch alone. So I quickly vacuumed that up. And over here, this is the before of the couch. Do you see all those stains? This is the product I use. It's technically a carpet cleaner, but it works great on any fabric couches. And then you want to spray the whole couch or the section that you want to wash. Make sure it's very damp. You want it to really soak in and get all that dirt and grime out of the couch. And then I'm using this tool over here, basically just to agitate the chemicals in that solution, just so that everything can get picked up to the surface. As you can see, then we go on spraying again and then agitating it one more time. The more times you do it, the better. You can go in cycles, do it many times. The more you wash it like this, the more you agitate, the more you clean it off, the better results you're gonna get. It's just a matter of how bad the stains are on your couch. After we sprayed it and agitated it, I'm using again the shop vac, but without any nozzle on the bottom, and I just use the shop vac to pick up all that grime and dirt that came up to the surface. You do it as many times as you need. If anything, you can just repeat this process over and over again until all the stains are gone. In our case, the stains weren't too bad, where they got picked up quite quick, so. Now I went to the other side of the couch and I continued doing the same process to the other side. And this is the after of the couch. Again, on this shot, it is still wet, so it still has to dry, so you can still see some darker spots, which is basically just it being wet. Then I'm using this spray over here just to spray down the couch to make sure if it does soak up anything, it soaks up some nice scents. Then I headed over to the home office and I vacuumed that room. And then I moved forward to our bedroom to vacuum the floor as well. Can't forget the hallway. And after that, I moved downstairs to our entryway. The rug was just filthy. I had to get all that dog hair out of it, so I went ahead and vacuumed that as well. And then this is all the dog hair that the vacuum cleaner picked up. Back to the laundry to change the load again. And then I got the sheets for the bed. Now that we have the mattress cover washed, I went ahead and put that on and made the bed. Back to the laundry we go. And then as soon as the pillow covers are dry, I went ahead and put back the pillow covers for the couch and set the couch. And this is the final look of the couch. No stains, nice and clean and fresh.